Listen up, sugar lovers. You might want to put down that candy bar and listen closely because I'm about to drop some knowledge on you. Eating too much sugar is like playing with fire. It might seem fun at first, but it can quickly burn you in the long run. Not only can it lead to weight gain and tooth decay, but it can also increase your risk of all sorts of nasty diseases. And let's be real, nobody wants that. So if you want to avoid a future filled with cavities and health issues, it's time to start cutting back on the sweet stuff. Hey, what's up newbies? I won't take your sweet time. Just here to say subscribe if you're new here. Now go watch the video. Did you know that the average American consumes enough sugar each year to fill an entire bathtub? That's right, a bathtub. And if that's not shocking enough, get this. Studies have shown that sugar can be as addictive as drugs like cocaine. And don't even get me started on sugary drinks. Did you know that a can of soda has enough sugar to exceed your recommended daily intake in just one go? Yikes. So, if you're looking to cut back on sugar, it's time to say goodbye to your beloved candy aisle and hello to a future filled with kale and quinoa. Just kidding, but seriously, watch that sugar intake. Sugar. How do I love thee? Let me count the types. There's white sugar, brown sugar, honey, and even maple syrup. It's basically the Beyoncé of the food world, sweet, and oh so tempting. It can be mean and nasty if you consume too much of it. So, if you're looking to get the scoop on sugar, just remember that it comes in all shapes and sizes, but it's best to use it in moderation, just like those high heels you love to wear, am I right? Did you know that consuming too much sugar can lead to some pretty gnarly side effects? We're talking about weight gain and acne. But wait, there's more. Eating too much sugar can also increase your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Yikes. So, the next time you're reaching for that donut, just remember that it might taste great now, but it could lead to a future filled with regret and insulin shots. Choose wisely, my friends. First off, start reading labels like they're the latest romance novel. Look for sneaky sugar sources like high fructose corn syrup and other fancy sounding names. And if you can't pronounce it, chances are it's probably not great for you. Next up, steer clear of sugary drinks like they're the plague. Instead, opt for water, or better yet, some bubbly water with a hint of lemon or lime. And finally, when that sweet tooth hits, try reaching for some healthier snacks instead. Go for some fruit, veggies, or nuts to help you power through the day without feeling like a sugar-crazed maniac. So, remember, sugar is great and all, but it's time to start cutting back if you want to avoid a future filled with dentist visits and regret. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that subscribe button faster than you can say sugar rush. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're feeling sweet, pun intended, and share this video with your fellow sugar addicts. Because let's be real, who wouldn't want to spread the joy and the toothaches around? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.